Culinary arts is taking a different dimension in our community today, thanks to people like our special guest for today. Mind you, he was awarded by the Governor of Maryland, Governor Larry Hogan, as the #1 African chef. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the African King Show. I'm your humble host, Alex Emo, aka the Proudly African King. Ladies and gentlemen, my guest for today is someone who has taken the culinary arts to the next level in our community. Someone who was awarded by Governor Larry Hogan, the Governor of Maryland, is no other person, the Chef Taba Eseme. Chef Taba, you're welcome to the African King Show.
Wow. Thanks to the African King. And I want to thank you very much for inviting me here today.
You're welcome, Chef Taba. We are happy to have you. How did you become the #1 African chef awarded by the Governor of Maryland, Governor Larry Hogan? You know, it's not easy. So what's your story?
I was born a cook. I came up from a family of 5 boys, and my mom decided to choose and train me to feed my 4 brothers.
Wow.
I just want to say, may one of my brothers rest in peace at this moment. And I want to just be sincere that from cooking back home in Africa, I thought it was a joke. I arrived in the United States in 2001. That very cooking, I continued here feeding my friends, and one of them introduced, hey, can you use this cooking to make some money? I didn't know you can make money out of cooking. And that is just how I started hosting events.
Wow. Well, that's a very, very good explanation you've given. I didn't expect this. Okay, what is the best thing you like about being a chef? What do you like most about what you do?
Oh my goodness. I can't give all the credit to myself. The best thing I like is called a teamwork. Teamwork, what does that mean? The people I work with, we should put our heads together and give our customers the best satisfaction they deserve. And who is the best person close to me is my wife, Frida Eseme.
That's good.
She is doing wonders in this culinary business. Even though she's cooking is all I do. Let me make this very clear to you, Mr. Emo, the proud African King. I have gone to school like LPN to become a licensed practitioner nurse.
Yeah.
I also went to school to become a GSA,
yeah,
which is General Certificate of Administration, to work with the immigration. But I had to turn all this down. Let me tell people out there, and I want to be very sincere, follow your dream.
Viewers out there, you've heard from the chef. Follow your dreams, follow your passion. Don't let your fears kill your dreams. Okay? Remember, there is greatness in every second we think positively. So always stay positive. Afrique Cuisine, the home of good cooking. For delicious African dishes and catering services, contact Afrique Cuisine by Chef Taba Eseme. They are the event undertakers. Why do you think most African events fail?
Well, African events will always fail because of lack of cooperation. When we have an African event, the host always wants to try to invite all the workers to be Africans, and Africans will hardly agree. The decorator will be fighting with the cook. The cook, yeah, I'm just being sincere with you. I have always have this experience, Mr. Emo, the proud African King. Let me tell you, the only way Africans event can always succeed if we can work like a team.
Yeah, that's right.
Like what the Americans do. Or let me just give a little distance. Nigerians can cooperate. But if I run an event that has to do only with Cameroonians doing decoration, doing the setup, doing this, they don't cooperate. I don't understand why. Yeah, but trust me, I try to give the best of the services I can give, and I don't care who I work with.
Yeah.
If everybody can work with any Cameroonian like I do, I work with Barbara Tike.
Yeah,
I work with Ngui.
Zen Concept.
I
That's a
work
big
with
name too.
yes. I work with a lot of Africans, and I deliver. And they go home and they put me on Facebook to say, "Hey, Chef Taba was the best."
Wow.
Even though the other person who brought cheers will say, "Hey, I was not happy with his dressing." I don't care. All we need to is deliver, and let's work as a team.
Perfect. That's it. Folks out there, you've heard from the chef, the #1 African chef. Let's come together. Remember, I always say this: together we stand, and divided we fall.
Sure.
So if we work together, let's stick together as one, we're going to succeed. Okay. So Chef Taba, do you have any events coming up? Any projects?
Ooh. We just want to say Corona has brought a lot of issue in our community, and I will not hide it. If I look at my book, I think I have close to 26 events which I'm supposed to host, but some are canceling, and I think by the grace of God, some will come up.
Yeah.
I will not hide this. I started from the month of November of 2019 to start picking up my clients for the 2020, and Corona came up. But that is not a problem with me, because I am a game changer.
That's the spirit.
I changed the game from doing events to doing plating system. So what we do right now is plating system. If you want eru, ndole, whatever you need, cocky corn, cocky beans, I have them ready for you right now. I can supply it to you, sir. And I want to assure you all that whatever food you need, small, big events, we can deliver to you. No matter the time, we'll bring your food, I will set it on the table. At the same time, you can come up to my place, pick up your food, but we respect social distancing.
Perfect.
That is very important.
Yeah.
For those who want to sit at my place and eat, you are welcome.
Yeah.
Feel free, come to me, order your food, we will get it to you at the right time.
Chef Taba, it was nice having you on the show.
Thank you, the proud African King, Mr. Emo Alex. I am very happy to be here at your studio.
All right, viewers, earlier we had the #1 African chef, Chef Taba Eseme, and it's been a great time with him in the studio. I hope to see him again next time. So stay safe. Remember, maintain your social distances. And there is greatness in every second. We think positively. I remain your humble host, Alex Emo, aka the Proudly African King.